In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a parallel channel in Tradingview. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering this tool can significantly enhance your technical analysis. Parallel channels are a powerful way to visualize market trends, identify potential breakout points, and highlight areas of consolidation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently use this feature to better understand price movement and make more informed trading decisions. Let's get started. First, open your Tradingview chart. Tradingview is a robust platform for charting and technical analysis, and if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once your chart is open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the drawing panel, which contains all the essential tools for marking up your charts and analyzing price action. Now hover your mouse over the icons in the drawing panel. As you do this, additional tool options will appear. This feature is designed to give you quick access to a wide range of drawing tools without cluttering the interface. Take a moment to explore these options if you're unfamiliar, as it's helpful to know where everything is. Next, locate the parallel channel tool. Its icon may be inside a drop-down menu, so if you don't see it right away, don't worry. It might take a few seconds to find. Once you've located the tool, click on it to activate it. You'll know it's active because your cursor will change, signaling that the tool is ready to use. Now, click on your chart at the starting point of your channel. This starting point is typically a swing low if you're analyzing an uptrend, or a swing high if you're focusing on a downtrend. Swing points are key turning points in price movement, so selecting the right starting point is crucial for drawing an accurate channel. After marking the first point, drag your mouse along the chart to extend the channel. Click again to set the second point. This second point determines the length of the channel, so align it with the price action you're analyzing. Once that's done, adjust the width of the channel by moving your cursor. When you're happy with the alignment, click a third time to lock the channel in place. Keep in mind, you can always go back and refine the anchor points later to better fit the price movement. Now that your channel is in place, you can customize its appearance. Simply click on any of the channel's lines to open the settings menu. This menu allows you to personalize the channel to suit your preferences or analysis style. You can change the color of the lines to make them more visible or match your chart's theme. You can also adjust the thickness of the lines, which can be useful for emphasizing the channel's boundaries. Additionally, you have the option to make the channel area shaded or transparent. Shading the channel can help highlight the price range it covers, while transparency keeps your chart less cluttered. Experiment with these options to find what works best for you. Once you've customized your channel, take a moment to review it. Make sure it aligns with the price action you're trying to highlight. A properly aligned channel will help you clearly visualize trends, potential breakout zones, or areas of consolidation. If something doesn't look right, don't hesitate to adjust the anchor points or settings until it feels just right. Finally, start using the parallel channel to guide your analysis. These channels are incredibly versatile and can help you identify trends, predict potential reversals, spot breakout opportunities, or even recognize zones where price may consolidate. Think of them as a visual guide that simplifies the often complex movements of the market. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.